Okay. Loka, selfie. Ayan video. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Mauubusan ako sa mga English. Tagalog lang kita. Oops. Oops. Nah.
Yes, that bit uchi to money up and up and up.
Ano ka Bisaya?
Down. Okay.
Okay.
To money down.
No.
But why?
Yes. Ano lang?
You said no oil and you said yes oil. What the egg? What the
Yes lang. Yes.
What the egg you? What the egg you nyan to you? You may look out or something.
Straight lang. Straight. That baby go. Straight.
Down, I was down. This one. Let's take this one down. I want that. Mama?
Lockdown. Ganun lang.
I'm not TV.
Lockdown. Okay, you can watch them. Ah.
Hey, don't not bite me, okay? Don't not stop me.
You're laughing. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Don't move. Whoop.
Not good, Mama. I'm not good to eat it. Mama, help me with
Move gatol, move gatol.
Yeah, move that too. I move that too. You'll be in my tummy.
Okay. Done. Don't move.
I am handsome.
Don't move.
I am handsome.
Don't move. Handsome. You're handsome.
Yeah?
Talk.
I am handsome. I'm handsome. I'm handsome.
Okay, you're handsome. You're handsome. Oops, 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 don't move, Parikoy, don't move, Parikoy.
Hey, I
Don't
am my
move.
son. I'm going.
Okay, sige, si Louie. Don't move, Louie. You're handsome. Don't move. Don't move.
Yeah, I am going.
Don't move.
Hey, you said that too.
Don't move.
Hey, you said that too.
Touch you. Look mirror, you're handsome.
Yeah, I am handsome.
Up, don't move. Woo! Sarap ng galawan. Sarap ng galawan, oh. Chloe.
I got my L. And I did that.
Okay, open your mouth. And close your eyes. Look me. Pogi.
And thumbnail.
Handsome na, handsome na.
Okay,
Handsome na.
okay.
Okay.
Do not touch my elf. Okay? Do not touch my elf more. Okay? Only
Okay.
one time and two times. Okay? Only one time and two times.
3 times.
Hey! No. Only one time and two times. Okay?
Okay.
What happened to Wayne?
Okay?
Yeah. Mama, I want Nazi now. Hey, do not leave me. I keep going to not leave me.
I give you money, oh.
Mama.
You want?
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Back again.
Okay, I'm going to back go to my elf. Yeah, I'm going to go my elf more and that. No, my elf will go. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.